Good evening, Sampark. First of all, thank you so much, everyone, the director, and everyone, the team, to allow me to give me the to give parichay to everyone. My name is Miss Anjali Thakur Jaswani. My spouse, Mr. Thakur Jaswani, he is a businessman. He's the owner of a retail store, Maharashtra Emporium. I have two children. My son Jay is 24 years, and my daughter is Anisha, who is 20. I am born and brought up in Mumbai, India. My hobbies are swimming, reading, singing, and I take a lot of interest in philosophy. I do a lot of reading in philosophy also. I'll give you my professional information. My firm name is Anjali Thakur Financial. I'm in this business for the past 3 years. I'm a financial consultant of life insurance and health insurance. Previously, I was working as a course instructor of Abacus in SIP Academy, which is a Malaysian-based company. My qualification is I'm a graduate in commerce, and I've also done B.Ed. My skills are I'm good at customer service, communication, and consultancy. I was also appointed as the president of the Lions Club of Nagpur, 323H1 for the year 2013-14. It was fun working with all of them. I was also a grandmaster level course instructor in the SIP Academy. I'm associated with the NGO named CMCA, Children's Movement for Civic Awareness, where I am volunteering as a civic educator. I have conducted classes in schools like Modern High School, Bharati Krishna Vidya Vihar, and Centerpoint School. But due to pandemic, these classes are, on hold because there are so many other classes from the school side. My goal is to provide protection to the frontline workers who are working so hard for this pandemic COVID-19. I provide family. My first priority is to give protection to the breadwinner of the family. I also provide. I believe in providing health insurance benefits to the maximum people. Through the NGO, I am trying to bring the change and awareness among the students who are the future of our country. I just mentioned you my accomplishments. I've been successful in ensuring around 250 professors, and now even more. I have conducted many projects in CMCA, out of which the Ganpati Visarjan project at the Futara Lake was most inspiring, as the students of 12 schools participated along with their teachers. Our main motto was to teach that how to, do the Visarjan part after, the 12 days, the 11 days procession. So we did that very well, and students supported us a lot. My three best customers are people who want to plan for their children's education, who want to plan for their retirement, people who want to create wealth and leave legacy for their children, people who want to secure themselves of the medical expenses. So will you go ahead with the PPT? Jay sir, I cannot see the PPT ahead, or
ma'am, it's on screen.
Yeah, it's not showing on the screen. Yeah, I have it on my phone.
Is there, we can see it. Parag sir, can you आप थोड़ा आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं क्या Parag sir?
ठीक है, मेरे पास है phone पे. I will do it through my phone. Yes.
मैम वो आ गया मतलब it is loaded.
Yeah. Examples of referral types that work well for me are people who believe in savings along with security and tax planning. My best 6 contacts for complementing business partners are business person, doctors, entrepreneurs, self-employed, teachers, and salaried people. My memory hook is I am the difference. Thank you.